whenever you want to improve your audio in Audacity, so basically that's done with the effects. So we have a lot of it. You can amplify your audio, you can normalize the loudness, you can fade in, fade out at different points, you can change the pitch or speed of your speech, and you can also remove noise, and so on and so forth. You can add echo, and there are a lot of effects that you can use in Audacity. And if you want to add your own effect, what you can do is go to effects and add real-time effects. Now when we click on add effect, you can either just add the effect and see the direct effect of it in real time, or otherwise you can add more effects that is available on the Audacity website. So let's close this for now and let's see some of the samples of the defaults effects that we have here. So let's try one of the effect, and the most important one is amplify. Right now I can see a very low wave here, which represents that this voice is recorded in very low volume and I need to amplify it. So let's listen it first. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we're going to see how. So it looks like this, but if I want to amplify whole of the clip, then I will hold the clip from here and I'll go to the effects and click on volume and compression and click on amplify. Now by default it will recommend some kind of amplification, so you can either go with the default one or you can set up your own amplification dB. So let's click apply. So you will notice the difference here, and let's just undo this with Ctrl Z. And now let's say that if I want to amplify just the part of the audio in the whole clip, I'll just select that particular part and I'll just go to the effects, volume and compression, amplify, and then I can amplify this particular part only. So now you can see that it amplifies it to a greater level as compared to the whole clip, because it automatically identifies the higher and lower peaks in the whole clip, and when we amplify the whole clip, it's kind of balances them out. So now let's listen and let's see what changes do we see now. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we're going to see how you can amplify the effect in Audacity. So we can clearly see how greatly the volume has amplified. Now let's try this on a lower amplification. For example, here it recommended 13.8, but let's say I know about all the dB stuff and I say that 13 is too much. Let's go with the 8 and click on apply. Now it will apply up to this level. So this is how you can play around with your effects, and you can try some more on your own. Also, we will see more effects in future. So this is all about amplification in Audacity.